people who are born with light in their hearts, walking through life, their hearts are still pure. Even though the storms surround them, they still think of good things for themselves, for others, never changing. But there are also people who carry so much bitterness. The eyes that look at life only see the shadow of doubt. The mind does not change, no matter who advises to walk lightly, wanting to do